Hey everyone, it's Daniel here again from Red Rum with another fishing video. This time we're out off St. Petersburg, Florida in the shipping channel. Originally we were firing down some baits for grouper and snapper, but as you will see, anything can come by and strike your line.
Watch out.
Let him go. That's what just had me. That fucking Cobia.
So this one's a funny story. I was grouper fishing, as I said earlier, and I decided to switch it over to snapper. So I kept my grouper rod in the water, rigged up a smaller piece of bait on the snapper rod, was about to fire it down, kind of just left it dangling at the surface, and I thought, oh, let me just get the grouper rod out of the way so I don't get a tangle. Sure enough, not more than 2 seconds later, a cobia came up and munched on the bait that was floating right at the top of the surface on the snapper rod.
Alright, don't worry about it. He's right here.
Just took me, I'm telling you.
Alright, he's coming up. Wait. Come on. I'm walking the other way. Get him. Nice. Alright, pull me. My hands on it.
Oh, yeah. You gotta measure it. That thing is fucking.
That's good.
Yeah, it's bigger than 33. It's like 38 to the fucking fork or something like that. You just
Nice.
double check.
Nice.
Alright, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to Red Rum International. Until next time, Daniel Del Sol. Peace.